In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your email on Zoho CRM in a clear, simple, step-by-step guide. Whether you're new to Zoho CRM or just looking to integrate your email, this tutorial is sure to get you up and running smoothly. First, let's start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see a range of different features and options. What we're interested in today is configuring the email, so let's move to the Setup section. You'll typically find the Setup option at the upper right corner of the screen, symbolized by a wrench or gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the Setup, you'll be directed to a new screen filled with various settings categories. The next step is to find the Email section within these options, so carefully scan through the list until you spot it. Click on Email to carry on with the configuration process. Now that you're in the email configuration area, you'll notice options like templates, settings, and compose options. But let's stay focused on email settings for the sake of this integration. You must have reached the right spot if there's a button labeled Get Started. Click on this button to kick off the integration process. Up next is selecting the email provider you plan to connect to Zoho CRM. Since the steps we'll be following today involve Gmail, make sure to select Gmail from the choices presented. Of course, if you're using another email provider, you'd select that instead. But for our current demonstration, go with Gmail. Clicking on that choice should be as simple as clicking on its label or icon. You'll see a button that says Configure. That's your next move. By pressing this button, you initiate the configuration process that will guide you through connecting your email to Zoho CRM. Be sure that you're logged into the Gmail account you wish to link, as this will save you from needing to type in your credentials later. Now it's time to choose the specific Gmail account you want to connect with Zoho CRM. A pop-up or a new page will present you with a list of possible accounts to link. Simply click on the account you wish to use. Once you select the account, you'll need to give permission to proceed, so click on Continue when prompted. You're almost there. Zoho CRM is likely asking for some final authorizations. Again, click on Continue to confirm that Zoho can access your Gmail data for seamless integration. This process is crucial for making sure everything syncs correctly and works flawlessly together. Finally, you'll be presented with options to either import data or select the type of display or skin for your email dashboard. Based on your personal preference and how you want to visualize your email within Zoho CRM, make your selection. Choose either to import your existing emails or modify the skin for a personalized look. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your email on Zoho CRM. It's a straightforward process that, once completed, allows for a seamless integration, leading to more productive management of emails within your CRM environment. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.